Speed of NQ76. Speed of NQ76.
Mic check. Test one. Test one. Welcome aboard, everyone. Is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Othrew. Are you ready indeed? Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Vinny. Emini. If this is your first time with us, you have been missing out. We are about to get into this afternoon's live stream. This morning's stream was good. Thanks for coming and hanging out there this morning. Got ourselves up to 2K on the first session. Worked my way to 4K, so you know how I'm going to play this afternoon. I'm going for 10K. Let's get some 10K in the chat. Type up 10K in the chat if you think we can get to 10K. On the day, type 10K. If you don't, then go away, but make sure before you do, smash that like button, or if you hate my guts, I know you, I know who you are, I know all of you, go ahead and smash that thumbs down button. It's all right. It's all right. It'll make you feel better. Go ahead and smash that thumbs down button. It's all good. We'll take them either way. Let's get to it here this afternoon. Don't forget, trading is a gigantic global competition. So I'm sorry if you're losing on the other end of my trades. It's all right, bro. It's all right.
Q56.
Tell your mom to call me, though. All right, let's see. 2:27. We got 3 minutes till go time. So I'll give a quick tour around the horn for those who are new with us. Welcome back. All right, what's this right here? Those are my 5 lives of my video game I like to call the AlgoBox video game. And pardon my drawings. But there it is. I like to approach the markets like a video game. There's my 5 lives. I have a vision boarding tool here. This is a desk cam over here on my desk there. I can move these off as I take trades. I want to try to take 5 or 6 trades within a session to get to my target. Personally, mentally, vision boarding tool, something kinetic in my hands, right? Kinesthetic right there. On the far left top side here is the direction filter. This is the primary way that you want to filter direction. This is kind of going where, when they say that a rising tide raises all ships, okay, this is the tide of 4 correlated instruments: ES, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, and the Dow. Okay, and so if you're trading the NASDAQ, you might want to know what the other guys, big guys, are doing, particularly the ES, and that is going to be your guide. Now, here on a live stream, that is just an example screenshot up there to top left. If you want the active moving tool set that literally will update in real time, you need to be inside of our Discord channel. Chat link is down in the description down below. Be in that free Discord trade room. We are the world's largest futures trade room in the world in Discord, so why don't you come and find out why? There are rules in the bottom left: 5 or 6 trades, 60 to 90 minutes, whichever comes first. Mac VU filter, daily bias, risk control, maximizing my P&L, harmonic structure, breaks or holds, order flow, RTOFA, not your standard order flow nonsense. We're talking about RTOFA. If you don't know what RTOFA is, make sure you go through our training programs, profile zones, cyborg entries, 5 time frame correlations. Let's go. We're right in the middle of the fiddle zone. As you can tell, that's why the background is gray here at the moment. And on the bottom right down here, look at this. We're in a boring section right here, so let's wait until the market wakes up a little bit. So we've got a little bit of time till that starts breaking out of this yellow zone here. How's everybody doing? Let's see. Missing my Mac VU filter. I'm going to pop that in for myself, so I've got that off on a screen on the right.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
There we go. Okay, strong buy right now. Okay, got it. And I need to be set to small. I'm on the ones here. And arm long, arm short. Okay, 2:30, bottom of the hour. Just missed a T1, at least a T1 right there on that one. Let's see how we approach the full target ET20 right there for the full 20 ticks. Will be down to that blue line right there. Let's see, Wade said, whatever reason, no longer. Yeah, if you were removed from Discord, we cannot comment on why you might have been removed from Discord. If you wanted your access to be restored, you would need to call the number on the bottom of the website. It's the only way to get back access, and we will not comment on why or how you were removed from our room. Just part of our policy. You love the new targeting, Monkey Beaver? Yeah, we've got the new features all working now. If you guys were just now catching up, there was that one triangle bug that wasn't drawing the triangles properly. You now have that. You can also adjust the size of those triangles. In fact, let's add it right now. I haven't even added it to my chart yet, so let's make sure we add that right now. So I'm going to go into my ultimate obos. Is where that comes from, the ultimate overbought, oversold indication, but we want the divergence triangles particularly. So that's right here. By default, I always like them large because I usually use this on higher time frames. However, the request from the wish list, this is one of the wish lists from you guys. You guys had asked, hey, can we make these smaller for the smaller time frames? Well, your wish is our command. Large, medium, and small there for you, so you can put those on smaller time frames, all that fun stuff. Okay. Don't want to auto scale and don't need to display it in the data box really. That's just taking extra horsepower that's unnecessary. And that looks good. I want the algo voice. Yes. So that will automatically tell me when we get that divergence. And I like alphabetical order, so I'm going to bump this up here and put it up under the S's for that one right there. Boom. All right, let's get that on there. So now I will have divergence triangles firing off here, which is perfect timing for me right here because we've got one right here, but R3 is sucking this up there. We might be all the way to R3, but we start hitting that R3. I have my doubts about going all the way to R4, unless there's some crazy macroeconomic event that I missed. I mean, I know Uncle Sam is printing money, which means that the dollar is worth less every single day, so the prices of everything are going up, including the markets. Everybody's like, oh, the markets are doing good. No, they're not. It means your dollar is turning into a turd, is what's happening right there. You know, I'm going to take a smack at that. Gold line reversal. Or my first trade there, one of my favorites, especially when there was speed. It sped into that area, so racquetball play there. Trying to catch them off sides there, trying to get 10 out of it.
Target.
Cross showed up there, almost ruined my party, but we'll get some targets off of that one.
Speed of NQ 153.
All right, I'll put my stop in there. Okay, it either drops or it pops. For my last two runners, I am going against favorable here, so I should not be holding runners at all. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. Puts me at 4,500 on the day. We'll take a couple $100 for it. It was about 350. I shall accept. Now I'm pretty close to my $400 superstition now. About $50 away at that point. I will adjust my ATM. Hey, be careful, snooze you lose. There are literally now 36 seats left for Enigma. And once all those are gone, like literally, as I have said before, like it is, I've been saying it lately, this is it. I'm not having a bunch of people ruin my own edge on my auto entries. So auto entry for Enigma, if you want it, this is the only time we are dropping and opening up 50 seats. And we are at 36 as of late this afternoon. All right, 11.1 on. That was a big turn before, so I expect that this is going to be the turn. My first objective is to look for a good turning point. We are skiffing down, so I'm looking for the sells. We had slide up, we're stepping down. You see it? If you see what I'm talking about, what I've been talking about in the last 3 to 5 video series, I'm going to stop talking about it soon because I'm telling you, this is like, that is sick bread and butter right there. Okay. If you know what I'm talking about, type of 1. If you don't know what I'm talking about, type of 2. And if you're typing a 2, you need to go back and watch the last 3 to 5 videos because you're, I mean, literally the bars are telling you what you need to know. All right, so I want to arm short now and continuous, and I'm going to enable that, and I'm going to go, oh, I was like, why is that not... I was like, why did I only get 500 out of that? I should have gotten 1,000 out of that. It's because I thought I was on 4 small and I was only on 2. So I got half of what I should have made there a minute ago. Mistake on my part. I blame extreme pressure. Pressure from trying to stream and juggle and pretend like you're an octopus with 5 arms while you turn the sound on and check your microphone and get the music going and switch scenes and check your security settings on the 500 steps. Also need to save workspace now that I just added that, added the triangles. Again, I will update my current workspace for you guys, those who want my live stream workspace. I will put it in the community workspaces section here after this stream, inside of the Discord on the left hand side if you want my layouts. Yes, real-time protection is off. I actually did do that while the video was playing at the beginning. I gotta give myself props for once I remembered to do something. Okay, did not get any entries. Let's see how the bat plays here. I'll expect the bat to hold. So as I touch into the bat and I get a turn, I will take that as my first short play here. There we go. Into the bat. Into the bat. If it cracks, oh, cracking the bat.
Speed of NQ65.
Okay, gonna go ahead and close it there because we cracked that bat. If the bat had held, pushed down, I'd hold that for a bit more, but we did not. That cracked through the back, so have to play more cautious when that occurs, especially because what? Long's favorable, and currently MacVU still staring me in the face with the ace. So if I'm going to play against those, I am target oneing, right? And it's got to go straight to target 1. Cherry picking, is that what you call that? Is that what you call knowing your rules?
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Interesting. It sounds like we have someone low IQ who's just joined our wonderful live stream here. His name is Banana.
55.
Welcome aboard. Okay, so got some target 1 there. Cross, I'm going to add to position. Track the cross, then I'll have to start causing my doubts. I'm going to pull my stop into the top of the Enigma there. Oh, did I get my first lock of the day? Come on. Okay, looks like I'm about to get stopped out on that one. Yep. Boo. Okay. Back in. Where did my Enigmas go? Check my settings, indicators. So it should be on L3. With color signals and power number. Check. All right. F5 to refresh. Okay. I don't think my colors are set. L3, color signals, check. Power number, check. Show Enigma targeting, excellent.
Speed of NQ51. Speed of
Be good.
NQ51.
Okay. Let me set that to high priority as well. All right, there we go. Yeah, it tends to mean there's something that went glitchy with the data feed. That looks very odd.
DCDM
What's going on with that data feed? When was that? 232. That ginormous spike. Okay, so I'm going to mark that level right here. This is where they really came in hard, so I'm going to press F6 right here so I don't miss that one. I'm going to make that line larger and thicker. All right. There's the beast. Oh, we got trolls galore in here. This looks like guessing because this isn't a... You can always tell the people who are not real traders who they think that a jagged edged P&L graph is fake because they only hear and listen to you know, ICT who's showing them, you know, winners all the time. They're like, that's a real winner. Only show your winners. Okay. Okay, so got a break of a diamond there. Try to take a swing at it. Stop above these little cluster of crosses here. So cluster cross play or the reversal into the clusters there. We do have divergence on the 9s along with the white cross there. So hopefully we're going to at least get a little accumulation here with giving me time to take advantage of a potential short here. But it is difficult because I'm not going to be looking for runners. Why? No runners because we are going against favorable direction. And the MAC VU is in strong buy. So runners to the long side, quick scalps to the short side for target 1, target 2s only. When we get good setups like that. That's a triple cross cluster. So we're going to give that a shot. Double cross at the bottom of a zone. I should have drawn in the zone. Don't want to get too busy swatting trolls this afternoon. So we got target 1, may not get target 2. Let's see. Okay, cross the top of a zone again. See if we can crack that Gartley down into that target down below, into that gold line would be nice. To see the other side of the zone. Okay, there's cross one. Need 2 crosses for the reversal if we're going to get a reversal. Left hand buy, right hand sell. 2 crosses at the top of a zone in order to reverse. When in a grind, do not rewind. Yeah, these are the worst kind of days, really, in my opinion, too. It's just a slow grind. But you know, we can definitely catch some of those. I've caught several. Are they mad about my transparency? Is that what's funny? They're, I can't believe his P&L has hills in it. I mean, if we're going to R4 is way up there. Way up there. 19,190. It is a Wednesday. And from the open, how far have we already gone? From the open, 10, that's... Holy cow. Oh, whoa, whoa, all the way down. Wow. So... yeah, that has been... That's 1,400 ticks to the red line. Which is where we currently are, right? Yeah, 1,400. So to get up to the top would be, is that 2,000? Okay, so that's a 2,000. Yeah, I mean, it could. It could go to, so it'd be a 2,000 tick move to get to R4. So if it's going to be this slow, then it is going to be hard for me to get to that 10K super target. It's going to have to speed up for us to give us enough opportunities to do that. Just with my style of trading. All right, let's see if that shark holds or if we break it. We are stair-stepping up and stair-stepping down, so there's no clear direction for that right now. So, win in a grind, do not rewind. Long is strong, but it's slow. Like moving the Titanic. Vinny's the algo, 5s into 2, the new default for NQ ripples. Out of the box, yes. I'm assuming you're talking about the A and B chart, the entry A and B, correct? What? That can't be true. I just got a DM from someone said they're trying to make it impossible for anyone to get a payout. Apex, they're now apparently saying you can't add to winners. Somebody show me some documentation on that. Post it in the Discord chat if that's true.
ECDMNQ on the 1.
All right, first big green Alpha Omega on a drop. You know my drill.
Target fill.
You know I'm gonna take that first one. Targets filled. I believe that's trade number 3. Got distracted by some trolling. But keeping counts there, that would be 3. Still kicking myself for that very first trade. Was off-sized, so should be up another 500 on that. Should be still in my 4K area. The superstition is on. We are within the $400 superstition. What are we going to do? We're going to scalp our way through that $400 superstition like a boss.
Speed of NQ52.
Okay, 3:02. 2 minutes past the top of the hour. Maybe we start to wake up here. We've gotten to that really nasty flat spot here on the MACV, so some of the most difficult spots. Oh, no, we're popped up. We're at 2.7. That's good. That's better. That is definitely better. Left-hand buy, right-hand sell.
Speed of NQ81. Speed of NQ63. Speed of NQ63.
I'm asking him for the source on that. So don't believe everything you read online, you know what I'm saying? I mean, trust but verify, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna verify that. Yeah, that's the last thing I'd heard, Mr. Anderson. Yeah, that you can't dollar DCA, dollar cost average, the losers,
Speed
but
of
you can add the winners.
NQ53.
That was the last thing I heard. I mean, but I mean, Tom Dante just wrote me and said now they're apparently saying you can't even add the winners, but I don't know where he got that information. I'm asking for his source. Ooh, Peter Brandt's getting in on it. Oh boy. Oh man. $306 and we're still in the grind. In a range. Boo. Boring. Wednesday, do you not like vowels, or do you need to buy some vowels, or you're so poor that you can't afford to buy a vowel? You spelled Wednesday without any vowels? Weird, bro. Weird.
Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ53.
Yeah, we got crosses at the top of the zone, but have not seen double cross at the top of the zone. Well, it's interesting that you also, you know, haven't figured out how to put the AlgoBox. I mean, this is in the videos. It just proves to me, like, again, when you tell people to watch videos, and like, oh, I watched them. No, you didn't. I genuinely don't think you're that stupid. I just don't think you watch the videos. Like, you can't be that stupid to have not been able to, you know, attain how to make that change. The, like, literally, like, video number 3 or 4 in the list. Well, I watched them, Vinny. No, you didn't. I got reading comprehension problems. Well, videos are not reading. I got listening comprehension problems. Just ask my wife. Oh, okay. I'll give it to you.
Speed of NQ77.
I'm just giving you a hard time with this news day without the vowels. what do you call yourself? The vowelless Wednesday? Do you not like Wednesdays? I mean, today is Wednesday. So like, what happens when your username is actually Wednesday? What happens on Wednesdays for you? Is that like, what's your thing with Wednesday, bro? Is that your favorite day of the week? Don't know too many people with Wednesday being their favorite day of the week. Tell us about it. Because we're bored. I am bored to tears right now with this market here. We did have a shark hold. We had a butterfly hold. So there is a potential for us to get a drop. The red harmonics are holding. There's one. There's two. There's three. The most recent one with a cross in it. So there is a potential on the downside. Same time though, we have structures holding to the long as well. So right now, nothing has broken. Everything holding. Except for this one right here. We did break right there and double cross came in, pushed it down, double cross, double move to the target.
Speed of NQ52.
Hump day, baby. Okay. Hump day without the vowels too. Do you like a lot of but no O's? Because that would be a vowel. I see. Can somebody wake this market up? Remind the market that it's hump day for some reason? Come on now. Mr. Badal said, "Tell us about the white level dashed. If it is broken, then for sure the sellers are in." I didn't say that. No, I literally drew that dash line before this giant cross came in. In fact, is one of my better plays here this afternoon already. So there's me smashing into it to go long as we came in and touched that line. So, I mean. But, people put words in my mouth all the time, bro. I'm used to it. Mostly my Uber drivers.
Speed of NQ56.
All right, there's a double cross at the top of a zone. I'm going to swing at it. Just because I'm bored. Bored 2 tiers. Ooh. They let the broke Muppets out today, huh? Okay, this is, you can tell this is starting to open up a little bit, so I'm going to get bigger here. Going to go for smalls. And let's see, that was 2 in a row, so I'm going to go 5 small actually.
Speed of NQ55.
To try rule. See if we come back down inside into the middle of the zone. Stop above the crosses. Right there above the cross. All right, I'm gonna close it. I don't know what's going on right there. Whatever, they could launch it right there. So I'm gonna hold. We have still held every structure break so far. There's another one. Normally top of a zone. I want to take a short here, but right now this is just grinding up. Normally double cross, top of a zone, all the way down into the center of the zone right here. This is a grinder. All right, try it one more time there into the center of the zone. Thank you very much. Finally, stop behind the crosses. Because we are definitely going against favorable direction, and we are still strong buy side as of right now, and that cipher still held. Closing her out. All right. So boring. Such a boring trade session. Hey, no worries, Mr. Badal. No worries, my friend.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ58.
Okay, let's see if this is this going to be the first break. That'd be awesome. If it is, then I'm ready to start taking longs again. We need a break of a structure. Right now, every structure so far has been held. So if this crab holds and we push back down, again, we're both sides of direction and we're just kind of hanging in this range. I do have, I don't know, my personal feeling, I think that the market might get violent there at the end of the day, which would be fun.
Speed of NQ55.
Well, look at that. Crab. Okay, so again, they are moving harmonically here completely. Every harmonic is held for the last So yeah, I'm looking to the left. I got 20 minutes here on screen from left to right. So for the last 20 minutes, for sure. Pretty sure even before that. That one, that one, that one, that one. Oh, haven't seen one. Okay, here we go. Last break of one was at 238. The last time that we broke any kind of harmonic structure. Well, I mean, you might count this one. Pull the zone. I would take that one out. When was the last Enigma I saw? I need to refresh my... I'm going to refresh my data. Something's up. I know there were some Enigmas earlier. Yeah, I'm going to refresh. Clear cache. No? Okay. So L3 too strong right now. Let's go L2. Like trade hunting. Oh, all the way down to L1, nothing? Yeah, I mean, there probably really hasn't. There's no opportunities here. It is just so dead. Yeah, most options people don't expect. I mean, this is a R3 level day up to on its way to R4. Today's one of those breaker days. Okay, I'm gonna refresh cache again. Gonna keep on L3. Somebody said that even on L1s there's no Enigma, so I just wanted to verify. It was like, just checking. But you guys say there isn't there either, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and end task there and relaunch and stay on the 3s in case the afternoon. We still have 35 minutes. Oh, do we start to wake up? Oh, this is fun. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. Finally, let's start this party. So we got the ultimate divergence down. Is that a 13 point? No. 13, is that that's the biggest this entire time. No, here's a 13, right. 13 points. All right, so that target hit to the short for the DCDM, pushed up. For PRZ cross, down. CR back to touching that white line I told you about before, where we know the big guys are. Big guys are here. Double king timing.
Speed of NQ77. Speed of NQ77.
I'm getting a warning. Okay, this is a 2-minute warning. Look, there's our region tool. It's a new feature. So this drawing into me tells me this is the 2-minute warning before the BTFD, STF, you know what. All right, let's see if the bat holds. Wow, they are not making it easy, are they? Snapping it around like crazy right now. All right, they're trying to shake them loose. They're trying to shake it loose. You can feel it. They are trying to shake it loose. Double cross, bottom of a zone. Should be looking to the long side. 3 wise man.
Speed of NQ119.
Listening for audio. Oh, man, it moved quick. Moved quick. I wanted to punch in on the audio box, but as soon as it did, it already jumped instantly like 5 or 6 ticks. So I want to get a good entry on one. Someone said moonshot short. On what algo, bro? Help me out. Algo bar what? 2s, 1s. Not here. I think I'm on level 3. Yeah, still L3.
DCDMNQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 79. DCDMNQ on the 1.
Oh, I got slipped. I got slipped. That's not fair. I was trying to hit it up here. Oh, that's going to be way harder for me to hit that. Come on now. I got slipped so hard right there. So wrong. L1 on the ones? Oh, you're living dangerously. But I'm glad you got it. On a day like today, as slow as that was grinding up, it's not a bad idea. But when the market gets fast, you don't want to do that, just in general. I'm not telling you what to do, just saying I'm not doing that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we got a back of the break of that shark there. Tried to enter in as it cracked, but once again, getting slipped like crazy. I am getting slip entered all over the place. I tried to enter at the back of that cross right there as we broke through. Insane level slippage there. I'm going to reverse and bet short here. I know it sounds insane, but the PRZ cross, the way that broke through, snapped through real quick. We got to slide up. We are stair-stepping down. I'm going to go with simply the structural makeup of those bars here real quick. Take a risk here because I'm pretty bored.
Speed of
NQ
81.
Like one of those on-board trades.
Target.
Thank you very much. Spank you, spank you, spank you very much. So, got slipped on the way up, super fast slide, and then I get that stair stepper. So now, there's another slide though. So now we've slid down, so be careful. Can't just keep it going. I'm going to remove this no fiddle zone. It's one of those areas why I don't like to use that. Why, you know, I know people really wanted that, but to me, it kind of, I just don't like the fading of the back. I like the high contrast. So I'm actually going to turn off the no fiddle over here. I would rather just look over here and know.
Speed of NQ 123.
Easier for my visuals, easier for me to see. Okay, let's watch how this bat plays. If we crack the bat, I'll go with it. I hear it cracking at the back of the bat. Stop at the front of the bat. Nope. Okay, bat's still holding. So I heard audio cracking through right there at the back of the bat. But no, remember currently long's favorable still and MACV Ultimate. Oh no, MACV Ultimate is now neutral. Did we finally shift to neutral so both directions are in play? Awesome. No mistake on my part. Should have been able to see that. Okay, so stop me out to the tick, and there it is. And get me, get me, get me. I don't have my full auto. Why is my full auto not turned on anymore? I don't know why. Crazy talk.
Target filled.
Crazy talk, I tell you.
Speed of NQ55.
Finally getting some speed. So we got target 1, not sure if we're going to get target 2. Let's see.
Speed of NQ56. Speed of NQ56.
Yikes. Ew. 11.8. Closing it. Okay. Break of the cross. She's on the run. She's on the run. Run.
Speed of NQ98.
Marching it right up under the high of day. Didn't touch it. That is interesting. Fascinating. Okay. By a tick. So selling right in front of the high of day again. There it goes. Okay, let's get a measure. Right here, F8. To the 11.8 where they came in. So they're going to sell their kitty right there at the gold.
Speed of NQ98.
Okay, there's the supply. So it's coming right now. Get ready.
Speed of NQ53.
Oh, don't punk me in front of the gold line. Touch my gold line. Do it.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
All right, they're going on a cluster. I'm going to give it a shot.
Speed of NQ58. Speed of NQ58.
Left hand, get my fingers over the proper buttons here. Good for target 1 and target 2. And first one to buy, you know my drill.
Target filled. Target filled.
Target 1, target 2.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Enigma sticking me short. That's going to be tricky. There's a moonshot. Add to position. Going to give it a shot. Stops behind the Enigma.
Target filled. Target filled.
Good for target 1. Not sure if we'll get target 2. I'm going to put it behind the white cross there for the moonshot target. ET 20 down there. See if we're going to get our full 20 out of this one.
Target filled. Target filled.
That's what I thought, you greedy little monkey. Thank you very much. 4K on the day.
Little Rocket Man.
Speed of NQ62.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Not the algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
4K the slow way. Yeah, it was. Holy shnikes. Wow, these new speakers I got. Gotta turn them down a bit. Getting picked up on the mic. I can feel it. Feel it in my chest.
But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox.
Didn't get back to the high watermark quite yet. Who smells 5K? Let's get some 5K hype in the chat.
Speed of NQ65. Speed of NQ65.
But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
Okay. 3 wise men showed up. We got our white line down below. Let's see. We now moved into neutral territory again. Now on the McAfee Ultimate. Into neutral. Before, every time we touch into neutral, we end up shifting back into positive. So we need to keep that in mind. These are the types of days when they're like, oh, everybody's going to try to short the highs. We're going to keep running it. Okay. I mean, where is R4? It is so, look at that. Look how far R4 is up there.
121.
That is so high up there if we're going to R4. Do not get in the front of that train. If she starts to chuck. I mean, if you want to step in front of the train, you can. I mean, what am I talking about?
Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Speed of NQ 124.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and then play along. AlgoBox is true. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Trades got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox and never miss the game.
Speed of NQ 83. Speed of NQ.
Okay, watch this white line. 2-minute warning. Look at that beautiful 2-minute warning. So 2 minutes before the 350 algo kicking right now. 2 minutes before the 350 algo. It might be violent today.
On the one.
It might absolutely be violent.
Speed of NQ 104. ECDM NQ on the one.
All right, 30 seconds. I'm turning full auto off. 30 seconds until the 350 algo. Let's see what happens. They put it right to that white line, the big dog that I drew from the beginning of this session. We knew it was going to be a major level, right? And look at all the cluster of crosses. They're all over it. Cluster, Cluster, 3 wise men, clusters. So, and now here comes a 350 algo. Let's see what the 350 algo is going to do to it. Shark just held. Here it goes. Here's the 350 algo. There she goes. And we rise above it, and she's going to high of day. Don't know. Let's see if we get a play so fast. Oh man, here we go. The 350 algo. Okay, this isn't that fast. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my full auto. Gonna give it a shot here at the end of the day. Turning risk on, seeing if we can smack to. I'm trying to smack the 5K. Let's see what happens.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Bam, target on the DCDM.
NQ on the
Touch and drop. Wow, so fast. Very difficult to react here. Yeah, we got some actual movement today on it, huh?
Speed of NQ 257. Speed of NQ 257.
$45 seconds to lucky sevens.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Divergence on the 9. Is that going to be enough to push it back down, or are we going to fly high? There's a new... Oh, not a new high. We touched the high, though. You touched the high. It's stair-stepping up, so we can't get in the middle, not jumping in front of that train.
Speed of NQ 186.
Stair stepping. Wow, no crosses up there at the highs. Ooh, that should be telling something. So if nobody's doing nothing up there, then there's nothing up above, so they could just start buying it up. This thing could just rocket launch for no reason and just go, go, go. No crosses whatsoever came in. Holy cow, there she goes. There's the first one. Lonely little cross and double delta. So we take the next play, right? That's the way I like to do it. Double delta, I want to take the next play. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Hotkeys.
Speed of
Yeah, the air is thin, exactly. So they can just go right through it, right? Just it's a lot easier to travel through air than it is through water or mud. And still stair stepping. So potential continued up move. $11.7. Okay, now we're cooking. 11.7, but that is still average delta of the spikes that we've had from before, where we continued up here, back here at 14. Up at that 11, still not that big. Here she goes. Not enough to turn it. Still stair stepping, still stair stepping. Just blowing out everybody in the options chains.
Speed of NQ 274.
Double cross. I don't have time to measure it. It's too fast. Let's measure it for fun. Here it is. Wow, it is too wild. Too crazy. Too crazy. Shark held it long. Gartley held its own a little bit there. Supply.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. That's, who thought that was going to work out well? No. I'll try rule it. I'll give it another shot. That's probably not going to work out well. Had to give it a shot. I'm going to draw a white line right here in the event we do come back down, and I'll get a bit bigger on it on the next playthrough. Yeah, boo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we're getting wrecking balled now. We're just getting wrecking balled.
Target filled.
Speed of NQ
Target
161.
filled. Target filled.
Moonshot just comes in and says, I called the high, biatch. Oh. For the fun. For the fun of the game. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. You just have to love it. I mean, look at it. Just look at it. I mean, does it get any better than that? I mean, sure it could. But come on. You know that was beautiful.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Oh boy, she's kicking in again. We're just letting Enigma have her fun now. Now we're just gonna watch her do her thing. I should have sized down. I just hit a winner. I should have sized down. So broken rule to crank down for sizing. So I'm probably getting hosed here. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn her off now. That's enough. That's enough of that. You're showing off now. All right, there's a 2-minute warning to the close. And it's looking spicy. And really dicey. Might be walking away with nothing today. I'd like to say it was fun, but really that wasn't that fun. We've had way more fun days than all of that crazy slow action there. Hanging in there at the highs, at the ATH. Not near as fun, in my opinion. I don't know, what are you guys' thoughts? You guys like all-time high days? I'm not a fan.
Speed of
yeah, here it comes. There's the supply.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Oh my, is she about to rocket launch?
DCDMNQ on the 1.
She's like, I'm collecting all of that. I'm collecting all of that, and I'm about to rocket launch. Oh yeah. She's going full level insanity.
Speed of NQ 356. Speed of NQ
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, getting wild. Getting wild. Getting wild there at the close. I'm gonna have faith in my Enigma one more time. And I'm walking away with nothing, or I'm walking away with something.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Target filled.
2 tri-wool on a double Enigma. Works again. It's a beauty.
Speed of NQ 239.
Oh man, that was a tough one. Tough one. Tough one. Tough day. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. And I will catch you guys in the morning. Oh, need to stretch my back on that one. Not the favorite kind of days, I gotta say. You guys got questions, hop there in the Discord channel chat. Tech support and get you all set up. Don't forget to make sure you get the R3 latest edition. And this is the last time you'll ever see Enigma Full Auto on sale. I will catch you guys in the next one. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out the Big H-Town. Art team, tell them how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, in fact, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Target filled. Target filled.
Oh, she's still going, smashing targets. Targets filled. Oh, baby, oh, baby.
Speed of NQ 6.
Hold up. That just deserves the best. Oh, that was beautiful. So beautiful. I couldn't help myself. I had to press that one. You know it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, yeah.
You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new.
Speed of NQ 88.
You make it like a game now, winning every move, and you
Speed
say
of NQ
follow and
88.
play along. AlgoBox, it's true. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's
Speed of NQ63.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox, never miss the game.